As a real estate agent, you understand what it takes to get a buyer and help a seller. You understand all of the complexities from staging setup to mortgage to brokers and everything in between. You also understand the time that is involved in the entire process. We understand that too. That is why we at Elam Real Estate have created a simplified system for our agents to utilize and focus their attention on the customer's needs, wants, and over-deliver on expectations. You will find no other real estate group that offers in-house mortgage brokers, full staging of homes and repairs of new listings, world-class training from Elam Real Estate. For us, it's more than a job, more than a commission, more than a profit. It is about being a part of a group of individuals that truly are on purpose with their mission to build a team of trust and understanding with opportunities to expand and create your own. Elam Real Estate utilizes in-house brokers for mortgages and in-house legal team, full access to repairs for new listings and staging setup, along with the highest quality photography for your potential clients to sell their home effectively. Gain more out of Elam Real Estate and reclaim your time, your lifestyle, and work with the best. Join our team and learn more at elamre.com.